If you're searching for simple and effective exercises to help you find low back pain relief, the Pilates exercise shell stretch is a great place to start. Unfortunately, it's not always the right exercise for everybody. I'm Sarah Stockett with CustomPilatesandYoga.com, and I'm going to teach you how to correctly and safely practice shell stretch so you can get the most stretch for your back. And I'm also going to teach you how to modify it just in case it doesn't quite feel right for you, your back pain, and your body. So for shell stretch, we're going to get up onto our knees. Your legs are going to be side by side, so they're close together in the original version for shell stretch. We're going to talk about how to modify that later, just in case you have knee pain, ankle pain, or a bit of a belly. So we've got our legs close together, and you're going to take a moment here, angle your sits bones out behind you, and then let yourself lower forward. And you just want to let yourself curve around the contour of your legs. Now go ahead, slide your arms out straight, slide the shoulder blades down away from your ears, and this is an active shell stretch position. When we're in this position, we're still working. Muscles are being stretched. The low back is being opened up. We're getting a stretch right here along the ribs and up into the armpit area and up into the shoulders. Now, to do the resting version of shell stretch, you would just let your arms come by your sides and let yourself melt toward the ground. If your head doesn't touch the ground, you could put a block under it or a folded blanket, or you could do nothing at all. Gravity is going to help you out. You just hold here and rest. Now, if when you do this pose, it feels too intense, if you have like any sort of a belly and you go to do that, that pressure from your thighs can really make your stomach feel very uncomfortable, and especially if you've eaten, that can be a very unpleasant feeling. Also, if you are pregnant, you're sure not going to be able to round over anything with your thighs all the way together. So if you have any sort of a belly, a way to modify shell stretch is to get yourself lined up so your legs are parallel, but then step them apart a little bit. Give yourself plenty of room here so that as you come forward, you have like a little space for your belly to go. And then the same rules apply. Arms go out straight for it to be active. They come by your side for you to be resting. Now, if that still doesn't feel very good to you, maybe you have knee pain or ankle pain, or perhaps your low back is so tight that that amount of stretch kind of causes you to twinge. No worries, there's a different version for you. So for this version, you're going to come onto your back. Take a moment here, let your pelvis tilt, let your low back gently reach toward the floor. So I'm not using muscles to push it down. I'm just letting it sort of go down and then letting gravity help it continue to reach. Okay, so my low back is down. I want to let the muscles in my belly hollow out so everything melts and sinks down toward the ground. Now, bring one leg up toward your chest and the other. And you can just hold on to your shins here, or you can grab behind your thighs, whatever feels best for your body. But you want to make sure shoulders are down out of the ears, the chin is slightly tucked here, and then just hold and breathe. Inhale through the nose, exhale through pursed lips. And you'll notice in this position, boy, when you do that exhale with your pursed lips, you can really feel your abdominals hug toward the middle of your body. It's a really great, luxurious feeling. Let's do one more. Inhale, exhale. Good, and then to come out, One foot comes down, the other foot comes down, the pelvis comes back to neutral. Roll onto your side and press on up. I hope that this has helped teach you how to do shell stretch and how to modify it just in case it didn't feel right for your body. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And for more information on how to do shell stretch, I'm gonna leave a link below in the comments. Thank you.